I don't know if this boat's sinking or what, man. I mean, we got people in life vests and good morning. We got people in life vests and all that stuff. I might need to get off the boat here in Nassau. I don't know.
What we should do, we should get our life jackets and run out.
Yeah. What's going on? Ah, what's going on? It smells better up here than it does down in our part of the world. I think there's something behind them doors on the other side. It's crew only. It's probably a pooper. Woo! Up there on deck 5. If there's anybody we know down there.
After this announcement, we will begin our general emergency alarm, consisting of 7 short blasts and 1 long blast for the ship's alarm bells and whistles. For those with sensitive hearing, please cover your ears.
I got sensitive hearing.
Once again, this is a drill for the crew and the crew only.
Alright, there's Nassau. Oh no! How's that coffee?
It's alright.
It's only alright?
It's alright.
Not no Starbucks coffee?
No, it ain't got that punch to it.
Yeah. Well, you should have told them to get you an extra shot
I
or
usually do
something.
extra shot of espresso.
Yeah. It's coffee. It's supposed to be hot. Got Disney, big old Disney's boat beside of the boat. I don't know, their boat might be prettier than ours, I don't know. Ain't no boat of time. I ain't seen nothing. It's set up. Nothing. Oh, come on. I don't know. You think you'd have it around somewhere, don't you? Oh no. You want anything to eat?
No. It was lunchtime.
Yeah, I know that.
I couldn't eat lunch over breakfast.
Yeah, me too. I just like to find some chocolate milk though. I don't know. I don't know.
Morning.
I see it. I see it. I see it.
Jonesing for it.
I gotta have my chocolate milk. Gots to. Yay. After a night of drinking, I mean, chocolate milk's the best ever. Baby, what are we doing? Hiding ducks. That's right. We found a duck on our last cruise, and we're hiding it on this cruise. And right there it is. Cool. What are we fixing to do, baby?
We're going to do the ropes course. We said we were going to do it. We're going to do it.
We gonna do it. Now, I can't video it because they done told me I can't carry this handheld camera. So, anywho, the only way we know if we're gonna make it out alive is if I continue this video later.
See you in a little bit.
All right, baby. What's the verdict? Could you do the rope course?
We lived.
We lived. So we're doing this video, so you would definitely lived. But did you do the rope course?
I did not. I chickened out. I was scared. I couldn't do it.
What about me?
You did the whole thing. You were awesome. Awesome, awesome.
Back from the rope course, what's next?
A nap. It
A
scared
nap?
the shit out of me.
I was thinking the bar. I don't know. Woo!
Yeah. Did it scare you?
Yeah, it scared me.
I was scared for you.
Oh, Lord. I was scared.
I would never made it. If I took that first step, I'd been stuck. There's no way getting off of it. You're on it and you're there, and you either finish or you die. So
You chose not to die.
I chose not to die.
All right, then. I think we need to go get us a drink, and then we'll figure everything else out. All right.
Stiff
Let's
drink.
do it.
Do it if you were here. Not yet. Hold on. All right.
Hey, Madrina.
I don't want him, 'cause in him, he was